Certain sports have physical demand for some people and less physical demand for other people. My problem was that, is the order of physical demand, according to my research, accurate? The order was football, for most to least, football, basketball,
Read it right off your board there.
soccer, baseball, and volleyball. I did not think that was accurate. What I thought is that the order for most to least would be basketball, volleyball, soccer, football, and lastly baseball. To test the physical demand of each sport, I played each of them for 30 minutes with my four subjects in Iowa. After playing each of the sports, we tested our heart rate and then our breathing rate, and then we all did a wall sit to determine the physical demand that each sport had on our legs. So for the average breathing rate, we had basketball was first, volleyball was second, soccer was third, baseball was fourth, and football was fifth. For the average heart rate, we had basketball was first, soccer was second, football was third, volleyball was fourth, and baseball was fifth. For the average wall sit, because of the time, the smaller time would be the most demanding. So basketball was first, volleyball was second, football was third, soccer was fourth, and baseball was fifth. For the overall average graph, I took the breathing rate and the heart rate and added all the numbers together and subtracted the wall sit time from that, and the overall average results were basketball, volleyball, soccer, football, and lastly baseball. This order did support my hypothesis, and it ended up that my hypothesis was right, but there was an error there was a potential error in the fact that the weather was different on the 2 days that we went out and played, and we had an uneven amount of people for the first day, and the second day we had more people, and then there was another error in that one of our players got hit in the head with the ball, and she had a headache and got dizzy, and so she was a little woozy. And we did have some difficulties playing volleyball because our poles broke, and we had to tie it to a football field goal, and then our other pole wasn't working, and so we had a net that was like chest level, so it was kind of weird volleyball. And so in the end, my hypothesis was correct, and I learned, my investigation taught me that some sports are physically demanding for other people and more demanding for different people, and I learned what sports are most demanding for my body and others.